Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Even though there are thousands or millions of these out there, but this one is mine. Okay, I'm going to clean the headlights on this 2009 Hyundai Santa Fe. Both of them are very oxidated. All right, so it's very bright out here, so that's why you don't really see it correctly, but they are not in best shape. So I know once I clean them up, and the vehicle will have a better look. To get the job done, I am going to use McGuire's headlight restoration kit. On a previous video, I used this, and I still have leftovers. So, and I'm going to use that to clean the headlight. And for any car, when you doing the headlight, you have to mask around it. All right, so you won't accidentally scratch the paint. Okay, and also this one comes with a spray, and when you spray it, you won't also accidentally spray where you don't want to spray. All right, so going to clean it for now. Remove the initial the dirt. So now I dry it. Okay, so look what I got here. That's Walmart brand. You don't have to have one of these, but having it makes the job faster. So this one here, all you can do is just like this, and you rub it. Okay, but since I already have this, make it quicker, and okay, put this on top, like that, and then rub it, and slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, isn't that spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last. Yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
2, 3, 4 times if you want.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got.
Alright, so now let's see. Look at that. Looks like, you know, I'm going to do it a third time just to for the heck of it. Number 3.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm mo.
Okay, now cleaning it. See. See that? That looks great. Let me dry it. Now we're gonna dry. That's okay. That's okay. It looks like that, but the clear coat will make it shine. Okay, this is what it looks like now. So all I have to do is apply the clear coat and you'll see the magic. Okay, here's the magic. And okay. Now many of you are saying, yeah, I should have masked. Yes, but this is my plan. Because masking will take too long. So the moment I do this, then I'll just go ahead and remove it. And it's not a big deal right now. It's not a big deal. The reason is because I've already tried that on the other side. So it's not a big deal. So see how clean it is? Let me do it one more time. All right, look at that. Looks great. All right, now remove these. Got some water on top. That's okay. Maybe I should have waited a little bit longer, but it's okay. It's okay. All right, my friend, friends. This is after. Okay, let me see. Okay, this is after, and before, after. Let me go show you the other side, which I did. That was the first one I did, but I didn't do it on yeah, I did it off camera. And you see, this is after and before. After and before. This is how you clean your headlights. As a matter of fact, the only thing it cost me is my labor, because this is still the leftover from my from the previous cleaning on my the Beetle, the new Beetle. And it looks like I still have some more for 2 or 3 vehicles. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.